From the outside, all spark plugs look the same, and that's exactly the problem. Many people think that changing the type is just a matter of price, when in reality each type of spark plug changes the way the engine burns fuel. Conventional spark plugs, the most common and cheapest ones, use copper or nickel electrodes. They work fine, produce a proper spark, and do their job, but they wear out quickly. As the miles add up, the electrode erodes, the spark becomes larger but less precise, and the engine starts to lose efficiency without warning. They don't fail suddenly. They simply make the car consume more fuel and respond worse over time. Then there are platinum spark plugs, which many people believe are more powerful, when in reality their main advantage is stability. Platinum resists heat and wear better, which keeps the spark more consistent over more miles. The engine feels the same for longer, but that doesn't mean the car will be faster or automatically use less fuel. It means performance won't degrade as quickly as with a basic spark plug. Double platinum spark plugs are designed for specific ignition systems, especially those where the spark jumps in both directions. Using them in an engine that doesn't require them brings no real benefits, but not using them where they are required accelerates wear in the ignition system. This is one of the most common mistakes in workshops that install whatever is available. Iridium spark plugs are the most misunderstood. Many people buy them thinking the car will make more power or consume less fuel, when the reality is that iridium allows for a finer and more stable spark, especially in modern engines with high compression and precise electronic control. If the engine is designed for them, they work perfectly. If not, the benefit is minimal and sometimes non-existent. Installing a better spark plug than what the engine actually needs does not improve the engine. It only changes how the spark behaves. If the ignition system, coil, and combustion chamber are not designed to take advantage of that spark, you're paying more for a benefit that doesn't translate into real performance.